The Certified Reliability Leader training really helped me learn to connect the bigger picture, understanding where the gaps were. Like, I had a huge lack of knowledge in strategy and plan.
Anyone can see benefit from it, be it an engineer like me, or maybe someone in corporate that's looking to understand reliability a little more.
Took my exam afterwards, had passed that, and all that knowledge I kind of gained, I went back to the plant and then I started seeing all these gaps that we had that previously I was just, ignorant to, right?
Being able to have a framework to organize those ideas and group them in ways that you can communicate with people effectively on needs and plans, that's really powerful for me.
The biggest gap was kind of lubrication because nobody's looking into it. And so, I built my big black belt projects around that and built up a team and made the change.
Reliability is built throughout an organization, so not just one person needs to understand it, but when you make it a culture, it really can see drastic change and see influence throughout your entire organization.
Having that information was a game changer for me.